Ah, so you think darkness is your ally?
Oh, you think darkness is your ally?
It is day 9 of quarantine, day 9 of lockdown, day 9 of self-isolation. I'm losing my mind. Genuinely, I am losing my mind. I don't know whether it's Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Tuesday or Saturday. I don't know the date. Oh my. Whose idea was it to eat a bat? Who decided, you know what? Let me pick this rat up off the street and eat it. That looks nice. Who thought that? Oh.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm losing my mind. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing my wheels. So I need to refurb them. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to refurb them. The paint I'm going to be using and the colour that... Oh, what's that? Ooh. And the colour that I'm going to do them. But yeah, I'm losing my mind. I can't even formulate words, but here we are. For this video, basically in my other videos I've been told that I say the word a lot. So in this video, my challenge is to not say the word fucking hell. Yeah.
A few moments later.
This is a lot harder than I thought. This is take number 2. So you want to start off by sanding the wheel down. Not the whole wheel, just... Ah, crap.
More moments later.
So you want to start off, but this is take 3 by the way, this is take 3. You want to start off by sanding the wheel down, not the whole wheel, just the parts where there are curb marks or anything like that. I nearly said it, I did nearly say it. I nearly said it again. Okay.
A few minutes later.
Take 4, take 4, take 4. What you want to start off by doing is sanding the whole wheel down. Sorry, no, not the whole wheel.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So what you want to start off by doing is sanding the wheel down. This is take 5 by the way, I'm going to do it on this take. What you want to start off by doing is sanding the wheel down, not the whole wheel, just the part where there's any curb marks or blemishes, anything like that. I'm going to have to do all 4 wheels because all 4 wheels have got curb marks on, that's how I got the car. It wasn't me that did that, I don't curb my cars. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the different levels of sandpaper that I'm going to be using. But yeah, let's get started and let's start the tutorial really.
I finally did it!
There's 2 different ways that you can sand down wheels. One, you can either wet sand them or dry sand them. I'm going to be dry sanding them. What I'm going to be using is, I can't remember what this is called, but basically it's a drill extension. This is 80 grit. Then once I've gone through the edges, because it's literally only the edges that need doing on all 4 wheels, I'm going to be using 120 grit sandpaper. Then 240 grit sandpaper, and then 320 grit sandpaper. So let's start with this. You don't have to clean the wheel yet or anything like that. Literally just start sanding the wheel down. So I'm going to be using this mask again because obviously this spews off a lot of crap which you don't want to breathe in. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the 80 grit, just around the edges as you can see. Now once you've done the 80 grit, you want to use the 120 grit, then the 240 grit, and then the 320, and you want to do that for each wheel, and then clean them. But I'm going to show you what it looks like after I've used the sandpaper on all of the wheels, and then we'll take it from there. I have washed the wheels with warm washing up liquid water, dried them, and then taken it for a quick drive just to expel any excess water off. And now what I'm doing is I'm putting these around each tyre, well each wheel, so when it comes to spraying them, there isn't any excess that goes on the tyre. Because if you get spray paint on the tyre, it will come off. But if you get like primer or lacquer on the tyre, yeah, good luck getting it off. This is the colour that I'm doing the wheels, Championship WRX Gold. So they say that it's sprayed, the lid is sprayed with the actual paint. So I'm hoping it does have that matte kind of finish. I'm going for this because I want to be a bit different. I don't want to be the same and have black wheels, gold brake calipers like everyone else. I want to be a bit different. I've got the matte clear coat as well, to obviously help with that matte finish.
Right, I'm basically shouting. I hope you can hear what I'm saying. If you can't hear what I'm saying, I'm gonna be pissed. I've already shaken this up, so I'll show you how I do it. How I spray paint when I do it, to make sure that you get all the areas covered. So you see these big gaps here? I'll start off by doing them. So literally, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you see the insides of each arch. I'll do in there next. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Now remember, this is just the first layer, so the whole wheel doesn't have to be covered yet. It's just to get that initial, you know what I'm saying?
So I've put the first layer of primer on the wheels. Gonna leave that for 15 minutes, put another layer on, leave that for 15 minutes, then put another layer on. Once again, you want to put 3 layers of everything on. So 3 layers of primer, 3 layers of the gold spray paint, and then 3 layers of lacquer. What I'm gonna have to do probably is, sorry, got something in my eye. One thing I'm probably gonna have to do is change the colour of my brakes from gold, because I'm doing my wheels gold as well. So gold on gold just looks, So I'm probably gonna do them like a navy blue. But I'm gonna see what I think of the wheels, see if I like them or not, and we'll take it from there. That is 3 layers of primer on each wheel. So now it's time to put the gold on, and honestly, I am so nervous. I don't know what it's gonna look like. But we moved. Let's do it.
No, hold on. I don't think I like it. Different colours! 2 bloody different colours, mate! Yeah, fucking start now, aren't I?
So you remember when I said that my car is gonna be an acquired taste? You remember when I said that? Cool. I'm gonna show you so far what the wheels look like, and then we'll take it from there. But I personally like it. I think it looks good. Once I put the matte clear coat on as well, it won't be as shiny, which means it will be a bit better. It'll be a bit like more what I envisioned it like. But let me show you 1 second. So this is what it looks like at the moment. This has got 2 layers each on at the moment. I personally think it looks good, but like I originally said, it's gonna be an acquired taste. So that's the spray on the wheels now. All 3 layers of the gold spray paint. Now it's time to add the lacquer. Like I said, I am adding matte lacquer because I want a kind of matte finish to it. It is a matte finish anyway, but I want it to be matte, like matte, like his name's Matt. Right, so you can see behind me. I'll take you closer, but that's the final look of the wheels. Personally, I like them. I think once the windows are blacked off, it'll look better. But I'm happy it looks different. It's different than just having black rims, black windows, and black everything. You get me? It's different. It's a nice different. So that's what it looks like. WRX Gold. The brakes obviously are going to have to be changed to black. But I think it's quite a good finish, to be honest. I'm pretty happy with that.
2,000 years later.
Right, so as you know, I did my brakes gold yesterday. My wheels gold yesterday. Showed you what I look like. And I wasn't too keen on it, gonna be honest. So, you know, I've gone for simple, gone for black, which looks so much better. So obviously I've gone for black now, which with the gold brakes, honestly, just looks a million times better. So much better. But yeah, so literally last night I completely stripped the wheels and resprayed them in gloss black.